Hello, good morning everyone. Today we will discuss here the IP address of class C. We know the IP address. What is IP address? An IP address are unique in the sense that two devices can never have the same address. And there are two parts, net ID and host ID. Net ID is called network identifier and host identifier. Network identifier, the net ID defines a network and host ID defines a host on that network. Fine. Now we know the classes. There are 5 types of classes: class A, B, C, D and class E. Class A, B we already discussed. Now come to the class C. Okay. See here, class C. We know the IP address is of 32-bit. Fine, 32-bit total IP address. For class C, 3 octets define the net ID. 3 octets. 1 byte, we can say 1 octet. Fine. So 3 octet. 1 octet, 2 octet and 3 octet. Till here, 3 octets define the net ID. These whole net ID. And 1 octet define the host ID. It means 1 byte define the host ID. Or 1 byte equal to 8 bit. Fine. The 3 leftmost bit, these 3 leftmost bit are 110 to define the class C. This define the class C. The next 21 bit, total how many bits? 8 bit, 8 bit, 8 bit, 8 bit. 8 3s are 24. Total from here to here 24 bits. From 24 bits we separate the 3 leftmost bit for the identification of class C. So 21 bit it means from here 21 bits defines network or networks. In class C network, 8 bits are used to define the host ID. Only this 8 bit defines the host ID. Okay, so this is the class C. Now see your example how to find out the class from the given IP address. Suppose here one IP example. See the example like 11000. Okay. See the pattern. Find the class of the given IP address. How to identify which class IP address is this? We see the first bits. See the pattern. Leftmost bit is 110. The first 2 bits are same, 1 1, and the third bit is 0. Okay, so this is a class C address. Understood? Okay, now class D. How to define class D? Now see class D. Class D IP address is also 32-bit IP address. Fine. The Class D address is defined for multicast address. There is no net ID and no host ID. It means the whole address is used for the multicasting. The first 4 bits are define the class D. These 4 bits. The remaining 28 bit, total 32 minus these 4, it means 28. 28 bits define the different multicast address. These from here to 28 bits. These 28 bits are define different multicast addresses. See the example, like okay. In this, the first 3 bits, 111, and the 4th one is a 0. So, is a class D address. Fine. Here, multicast address. What is multicasting? Multicasting is defined as a single source sending to multiple recipients on a network. When the receiver broadcasts a signal for acceptance, multicasting has its own Class D IP addressing scheme, controlled and assigned by the Internet. Assigned number authority, that is called IANA, assigned number authority. Okay, this means that all IP multicast are in the range of 224.224.0.0 and .0 to 239.255 and 255. Okay. This unique IP address range is used only for the destination address of IP multicast traffic. The server encoder or IP camera delivering the multicast datagrams is always the unicast source IP address. Multicasting dramatically reduce network traffic by delivering a single video stream to multiple receivers. Okay. Now class E. Now see here, class E IP address. Okay, this is also 32-bit IP address, and in class E, the 1 byte or 1 octet reserved by the Internet for special use. There is no net or host ID. The class E is reserved by the Internet for special use. Okay. The first 5 bits are defined the class. First 5 bit. Okay. See the example. see the IP address. Which class is this? This is the, see the pattern, 11110. This is the class E IP address. Okay. Now the IP address classes using dotted decimal notation. IP addresses. Now IP address classes using dotted decimal notation. Dotted decimal notation. How to define this? Class A is, here first we will make all the classes here. See here, IP address classes using dotted decimal notation from to 2. These are the classes, start from here till here. Okay. This is the net ID, host ID, net ID, host ID, multicast address and reserved. Okay. Now see here, if the first byte is between 0 to 127, if the first byte is between 0 to 127, it means this is the class A. If the first byte between 128 and 191, it means class B. Now 192 to 223 is reserved or it represents class C. Okay, class D, 224, if the first byte is between 224 and 239 is the class D. Now if the first byte between 240 and 255 is the class E. So this is the IP address classes using dotted decimal notation. Fine. Now the IP address versions, the internet protocol versions. There are two types of protocol versions, IP version 4 and IP version 6. Okay. See here. See the IP address versions. There are two types of version, IPv4 and IPv6. Okay. IPv4 used to identify devices on a network through an addressing system. It reserves some addresses for special purpose like a private network or multicast address. And IPv4, Internet Protocol version 4, represents dotted decimal notation. Okay, it is also called Internet Protocol version 4, and this one is a Internet Protocol version 6. Okay, see here, IPv6 is also called IPNG. IPNG, it means Internet Protocol Next Generation. Internet Protocol Next Generation, IPNG. IPv6 addresses are 16 byte. this is a 4 bytes and this one 16 byte. It means 128 bits, and IPv4 is a 32 bit. Okay, so IPv6 is a 128 bits long. IPv6 addresses are represented in a hexadecimal numbers separated by colon. So these all things about the IP address classes and their versions. Thank you, class.